Lesson 1. Checking in at the hotel.
Hello. Welcome to our hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, my name is Anna.
Okay. Can I see your ID, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Your room is 405.
Great. Is there an elevator?
Yes, it's next to the stairs.
Good. What time is check-in?
Now is fine. You are early.
Nice. Can I have the room key?
Yes. Here is your key.
Thank you. Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, the password is on the card.
Perfect. Where is the restaurant?
It's on the first floor.
Okay. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m.
Good. Is it a buffet?
Yes, we have bread, fruit, and eggs.
Sounds nice. Can I pay now?
Sure, card or cash.
Card, please.
Okay, please insert your card.
Done. Is it okay?
Yes, all set.
Thank you. Can I go to my room?
Yes. Do you need help with luggage?
No, thank you. I have one bag.
Okay, enjoy your stay, Anna.
Thank you, John. Have a nice day.
You too.
Lesson 2. Asking for a hotel room.
Hello. Do you have a room?
Yes. For one person?
Yes, just for me.
Okay. For how many nights?
2 nights, please.
We have a single room. Is that okay?
Yes. How much is it?
It's $50 per night.
Okay. Is breakfast included?
Yes. Breakfast is free.
Great. What time is breakfast?
From 6 to 9 a.m.
Perfect. Can I see the room?
Sure. I'll show you now.
Thank you. Is it quiet?
Yes. It's on the top floor.
Good. I like quiet rooms.
Here is the room. Do you like it?
Yes, it's very nice.
Good. Do you want to book it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Can I have your name?
Anna.
Thank you, Anna. Please sign here.
Okay, done.
Here is your key. Room 308.
Thank you. Is there a map?
Yes. Here is a hotel map.
Great. Thank you, John.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Lesson 3. Ordering coffee.
Hello. Welcome to my cafe. What do you want?
Hello. I want a coffee, please.
Okay. Small or large?
Small, please.
Do you want milk?
No. Black coffee, please.
Sure. Do you want sugar?
Yes. 1 sugar.
Okay. It's $2.
Here is $5.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you. Is it ready soon?
Yes, 1 minute.
Great. Can I sit here?
Yes, any table is fine.
Thank you. Is there Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is coffee123.
Nice. Thank you.
Here is your coffee.
It smells good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want a cookie?
No, thank you. Just coffee.
Okay. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Come back soon.
I will. Goodbye.
Lesson 4. Buying a train ticket.
Hello. I need a train ticket.
Hello. Where are you going?
To Boston, please.
Okay. One way or return?
One way.
When do you want to go?
Today at 3 p.m.
Okay. The ticket is $20.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes. Please insert your card.
Okay. Done.
Here is your ticket.
Thank you. Which platform?
Platform 5.
Great. What time is the train?
It leaves at 3:15 p.m.
Okay. Is it a fast train?
Yes, it takes 2 hours.
Good. Is there a cafe on the train?
Yes, they sell drinks and snacks.
Nice. Can I take my bag?
Yes, one bag is free.
Thank you. Where is platform 5?
Go left. It's near the big clock.
Okay. Thank you, John.
You're welcome, Anna. Safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Lesson 5. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the museum?
Hello, the museum is near here.
How do I get there?
Go straight, then turn left.
Okay. Is it far?
No, it's a 5-minute walk.
Great. Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 6 p.m.
Thank you. Is it a big museum?
Yes, it has many paintings.
Nice. Do I need a ticket?
Yes, it's $10.
Okay. Can I buy it there?
Yes, at the entrance.
Thank you. Is it left after the park?
Yes, you will see a big sign.
Good. Is it safe to walk?
Yes, it's a busy street.
Perfect. Thank you, John.
You're welcome. Enjoy the museum.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Lesson 6. Shopping for clothes.
Hello. Welcome to my store. Do you want clothes?
Yes. I need a shirt.
Okay. What color?
Blue, please.
Here is a blue shirt. Do you like it?
Yes. It's nice. How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay. Do you have a small size?
Yes. Here is small.
Great. Can I try it on?
Yes. The fitting room is there.
Thank you. I'll try it now.
Okay. Is it good?
Yes, it fits well.
Nice. Do you want it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Okay. Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Card or cash?
Cash. Here is $20.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you. Do you sell shoes?
Yes, over there.
I'll look later. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Lesson 7. At the restaurant.
Hello. Welcome to my restaurant. Do you want a table?
Yes, please. For one person.
Okay. This way, please.
Thank you. Can I see the menu?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have pizza?
Yes, we have cheese pizza.
Good. I want a small pizza.
Okay. Do you want a drink?
Yes. Water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Your pizza will be ready soon.
Great. How long?
About 10 minutes.
Perfect. Is there Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is pizza 2023.
Thank you.
Here is your water.
Thank you. It's a nice restaurant.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Lesson 8. At the pharmacy.
Hello. I need medicine.
Hello. What do you need?
I have a headache.
Okay. Do you want pills?
Yes. Please?
These pills are good. Take one every 4 hours.
Thank you. How much are they?
They are $5.
Okay. Can I pay with a card?
Yes. Please insert your card.
Done.
Here are your pills.
Thank you. Do I need water?
Yes. Take them with water.
Okay. Are they strong?
No, they are safe.
Good. Do you have water here?
Yes. Here is a small bottle.
How much is it?
It's $1.
Okay. I'll pay cash.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you. Is there a doctor nearby?
Yes, next to the pharmacy.
Great. Thank you, John.
You're welcome. Feel better, Anna.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Lesson 9. At the supermarket.
Hello. Welcome to my supermarket. Do you need help?
Yes. Where is the bread?
It's in aisle 3.
Thank you. Do you have milk?
Yes, in aisle 5.
Okay. I need apples too.
Apples are near the entrance.
Great. Are they fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Good. How much is bread?
It's $2.
Okay. And milk?
Milk is $3.
Thank you. Can I pay here?
Yes, at the cashier.
Okay. Do you have bags?
Yes, they are free.
Nice. I'll take one.
Okay. Do you need anything else?
No, thank you.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Is the store open tomorrow?
Yes, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Great. Thank you, John.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Lesson 10. At the bus stop.
Hello. Does this bus go to the city centre?
Yes, bus number 10.
Great. When is the next bus?
In 10 minutes.
Okay. How much is the ticket?
It's $2.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, you need exact change.
Okay. I have $2.
Perfect. Buy the ticket on the bus.
Thank you. Is it a long ride?
No. About 15 minutes.
Good. Does it stop at the park?
Yes. The second stop.
Nice. Is the bus crowded?
Not now. It's early.
Great. Where do I wait?
Right here. At this sign.
Thank you. Is it safe?
Yes. Very safe.
Good. Thank you, John.
You're welcome, Anna. Safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.